Again, Krishna's assurance. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. Just surrender unto me. Then what is Krishna's assurance? Aham tvang sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma sucha. I'll deliver you from all your sinful reactions. Now, is Krishna lying to us? Why should Krishna lie to us? Meaning, is Krishna saying something that doesn't really happen? Or is Krishna saying this because this is his words? You surrender, I will deliver you. So deliverance, if we want to really be liberated, the simple way is surrender unto Krishna. Bas. Don't have to worry about anything. And when you surrender unto Krishna, then what happens? When the Bhakti Lata devotional service has been compared to a creeper, a plant. The seed from the seed comes a seedling. What happens when the seedling appears? There are two leaves, right? First, there are two leaves. Those two leaves are Kleshagni, Shubhada. One leaf indicating no more suffering. Kleshagni, no more suffering. And Shubhada, all auspiciousness. So once one once one surrenders unto Krishna, accept the process of devotional service, then what immediately happens is there is no more suffering. And all auspiciousness appears to him in his life. Sometimes the question arises in that respect, oh Maharaj, but we saw that some devotees are having difficulties, they had cancer, they had this disease, that disease. Yeah, it happens. But the devotees don't get affected by that. If your consciousness is not in the body, will you feel any pain? When one is under anesthetics, what happens? The nervous system is blocked. And when the nervous system doesn't flow, or when the nervous system is blocked, then the consciousness doesn't flow. Then there is no recognition or registration. Somebody's heart is cut open, priced open, the heart is taken out, the chest is cut open, heart is taken out. Does he feel any pain? No. Why? Because there is no consciousness in the body. Now this is done artificially through anesthetics. But with Krishna consciousness, practically that happens. The consciousness is no more in the body, it is in Krishna. Krishna consciousness. So because they are not in the body consciousness, they don't register the painful situation in the body. They are not affected.